This video is to give some instructions on how to diagnose and replace the power lift struts in a Jaguar I-Pace. This one is a 2018 I-Pace. So diagnostics, essentially when the tail is lifting, you get more and more noises and creaks, and then over time it will open and then drop a little bit, and then over time even further it'll open and then drop all the way. I'll kind of demonstrate that now here with the old ones installed. I will hold this so it doesn't fall on me. See, that will just keep going and will actually slam down. If you open it, you can just about get it to hold. Ish. No. Yeah. Okay, it will just hold there about. So what I'm going to do is replace this today. The one that's failed is the left-hand side. The reason why I can tell it's the left-hand side one is if you just move this, you can expose the bottom. So basically, well, as far as I'm aware, it's the spring that's gone. The power part of the lift is fine, as it will open and retract with no issues. Again, this one's pretty sturdy, so that's basically holding the weight of the entire tail. Okay, so what am I going to do? Bought some replacements. These are a pain to get. Well, they're not a pain to get, they're a pain to get if you want to pay a normal price, like 100 or two. These ones are about, I don't know, 250, 260 £260 each, off Maltings. I'll put a link below. But these are the official parts. I've tried to go for parts. I tried to go for you know, other manufacturers, so third-party manufacturers, but couldn't find much of anything other than replacing the entire system from places like AliExpress and whatnot. So I've opted to go for these instead. I've done it as a pair because essentially if one's gone, the other one's likely to go. What else? I think that's it. See you in a bit. So to actually get access to these struts, you essentially need to take the trim off the back here. Essentially what you're looking to do is to take these clips here, dislodge them with a screwdriver, top and the bottom. Open this up. I think that stays on there. Take that off. Take that off. Take these covers off. Take these covers off. Take all that off. Once you've got rid of all those bolts, there's lots of clips that sit underneath here, and you're essentially going to take this entire panel off. Okay, see you in a bit. Obviously when you're working on the back, you need to prop it up with something. I've just put a plastic level in there, which obviously I'll have to move when I take the trim out. But yeah, that's just there to stop the tail from slamming down. Okay, so that's all the bolts out, 4 of them, with a T25 and the 2 caps. Pry tools like this will obviously make your life a lot easier, so would recommend using to get the back trim off. Okay, I'm not going to be able to do this one-handed, but I've literally just been able to start pulling these off by hand. So before you even get the pry tool out, you can start to lift that. But yeah, I'm going to do it two-handed. So this is what you're looking to achieve, just pulling off these clips and work your way around. Obviously support it. Well, I have to support it because the tail would go down. Okay, that's what it looks like when it's off. And you can see all the bits on the inside. So essentially this bit here feeds through. Yeah, obviously it's still a bit of work to actually get it there, but yeah, I'm gonna have to retrieve the cabling back there, but obviously this is where it clips in here, so that's what you're looking to connect into. This is all 12 volt related, by the way, so you don't have to disconnect your battery or anything else. It's all safe at this part of the car. Quite hard to show, but essentially you just put your screwdriver in the gap underneath here. Taking the clips off. Okay, that's that one gone, and that's the clip. So to get this off, no doubt you can just push it off probably, but I'm just using this because it's in the set. Put a bit of towel there to protect the car. And again, I can't do this one-handed, but I'm going to basically do that and take it off. So that's with them both taken off. This is obviously free. I just need to take the connector out there. So one thing I was thinking about when I fitted these was how do I get them to the right length to start with, but they actually come delivered at the right length, as you can see if I offer it up to the one that's in there. It's the other way around, but see the length is the same. A little tip with these, I thought you had to take these out first before pushing on the posts. But you can literally just push them straight on. I'm sure everyone else will know this, but I didn't, so I thought I'd share it. Don't be a lemon like me and fit this bit before you fit that bit, because it doesn't work, so you can't get it in there, even when you raise the tail. Okay, so I've done a final check. Everything's connected down at the bottom, on the top, on both sides. I've got the connectors in here and here, that and that. Oh, here we go. So let's see if it works. So far so good. Fantastic. Just a quick message to say thank you very much, iPace from jaguarforums.co.uk, and your post is really helpful. I followed it and it works like a treat, so I'll include that link in the description below. Thank you very much.